Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how does dropshipping returns work. So this is a very simple topic and I will show you a very quick and simple tips and tricks on how does this work and how you can do it yourself too. So when you're ordering here in Shopify and you want to actually file a return, or you're the seller and they want to file a return, first off, before you actually even try to sell, first you might check out your policies. Here in policies, you must have your return rules on, because if you don't have the power to even do so. So you want to turn on your return rules right here, and you can update your written return rules and refund policy. So you must have a return window of how many days. That's going to be set by you, like 14 days only. And then here, the return shipping cost. So it's either the customer provides the return shipping or the free return shipping because it was probably your fault. And then our flat rate return shippings. And here in restocking, if you want, you can charge a restocking fee of 5% for the item. And the final say item, you can also do it right here. So customers can request returns for products set as final sale, or you can set it only for a specific product or a collection that you have in your own store. So from there, you want to save that right here. And then next, you want to return. Now we're gonna go with the return and refund policy. You wanna review your return and refund policy right here. So here's your return summary from the first one that we did. So you can insert a template right here, or you can ask ChatGPT to make you one. So make me a return policy on my items that only if it's damaged, something like that. Then it will write your return policy right here, and then you can actually edit this to your own liking. I'm just going to use this for example right here, paste that, and we publish it right here. That is our return policy now. Now, terms of service, of course, you can also edit that right here. So terms of services, you can also insert a template, and then the shipping policy also that will apply. So think of anything and anything that can go wrong and make sure that you have it covered in your Shopify store. Because if you don't, then it's not going to work out for you. So from there in the policies, now you're set for that. Now, once you already have a pending order that you already want to try to refund, you want to go to your orders right here, and then you will see your orders right here. So I don't have orders here in my store, but I'll show you a quick example on how that would look like. So let's say you have this product right here, and then they want to return it. So all you have to do is press this refund button right here. From there, the refund amount can be placed right here with the flat shipping rate or the US flat rate that I have mentioned a while ago in the return policy. So you can do that, or you can do free shipping. That's going to be accounted for you, of course. So from there, the reason for refund, you can place it right there. And then you're going to send an email to the person that you just made that into, and then resend that email, and then it will be refunded to them with the email notifying them that they have been refunded. So there you go, guys. That is how the dropshipping return works. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.